Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this video tutorial. In this YouTube channel, I'm going to share to you as to what is the use of ruler in Microsoft Paint. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So we need first to open Microsoft Paint. To go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Paint, P-A-I-N-T, and then click on it under the best match. Now, once the Microsoft is open, then we just need to look for the ruler. Now, where can you find that? You will find this one, this view tab in the ribbon. We have File tab, Edit tab, and the View tab. Now, here you will find rulers. Click on that, and that's it. Rulers or the ruler is now present. Now, what is the use of ruler in your Microsoft Paint? The use of ruler in Microsoft Paint is that uh, it gives a guide for users when drawing lines, keeping users keeping the lines that the users create clean and aligned. Okay, so that's the use of ruler in Microsoft Paint. That is to help the user or guide the users when drawing lines, keeping those lines clean and aligned. So if you want to draw a line, then you just need to simply look at the ruler and then, or if you want to insert a line and draw it like this, you can simply look at the ruler. As you can see, the red line on the ruler. Okay, you can also extend that from here. Okay, so that's it. That's the use of ruler in your Microsoft Paint. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.